Hello everyone, Mitchell Torres with Besmoque here, and I'm really excited to bring you this video today. I arrived home to find a delivery waiting for me, and I am so exceptionally excited for this. I was so excited that I opened it already, and there was a note inside that I ripped open, but I decided I'd like to share this with everybody, so I'm making this video, and I'd like to go ahead and go through the product with you and the packaging. And so this is from Petrossian. Petrossian is a caviar company that I absolutely adore. You've seen a couple of things that I've made with that, with their product, and I'm so excited to get into this and see what it is. So here was the note that I ripped open. I'm gonna go ahead and read it for the first time now. Really nice. And so it says, "Hello Mitchell, thank you for all of your love and support for our brand. We hope you enjoy the products, the Petrossian team. Love the stationery, and I love this touch of personalization. It's so cool to get something with your name on it in a handwritten note from a company. I really enjoy it. And so here, as with every package that they send, is a description of what they sent you and a little bit of a description for the product and the company itself. And, okay, so some protective bubble wrapping. Oh, wow. So neat. Okay, well, I'm really excited for this. This is a new product that Petrossian has come out with. It is called Truffe. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm not going to attempt the name of the product because it's just out of my capabilities, but it is a summer truffle and mushroom sauce. I mean, I can only imagine how delicious this is going to be, and immediately what comes to mind is to use this either in some pasta or maybe an individualized beef Wellington, replacing the mushrooms, and use this sauce instead. Individually cold smoking or smoking the components and then putting it all together and smoking that as a final product is going to be spectacular. I can only imagine how good this is going to be. And there's something else inside. So, nice cold bag. Really cold. Let's see. Couple packs of the black ice. Oh, yes. Yes, my favorite. Petrossian caviar. Doesn't get much better than this. I hope I pronounced this correctly, properly. It is the Royal Baika. I've had this before. It is exceptional. So these two products, I can't wait to try. I have so many recipes, like I mentioned, going through my head already. I have so many ideas, and I can only imagine how amazingly delicious these are going to be. If you've never tried Petrossian, check them out. They are fantastic. As you can see, they take a very personalized approach towards their customers. They really value us, and their product is exceptional. So if you haven't tried them yet, give them a try. Petrossian, thank you again so much for the Truffe mushroom sauce, summer truffle and mushroom sauce. I cannot wait to try this. And as always, the exceptional caviar. So delicious. Thank you again. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.